Yes, no questions. It's just adding me, mu, mu, mu. In this case, mu, mi, mu, mu. Doesn't matter. The which one comes first, because we are just adding one of them. Ben gelecek miyim? Will I come? Gelecek. Me. Me. Added. And then him we are adding. Like I. And ye in between is preventing vowel repetition. We don't like vowel repetitions. We don't use vowel repetitions. In some cases comes yumuşak G, in some cases Y. And ben geleceğim, I will come. Sen gördün mü means did you see? Sen gördün mü means did you see? If you didn't see this one, you should see the second one. O yaptı mı? Did she do? O yaptı. He did. What he did? Maybe he changed gender because it was she. Onlar konuşuyorlar mı? Are they running? Onlar koşuyorlar mı? Onlar koşuyorlar. That's it. Adding değil mi? Isn't it so? To the end of a sentence, you might often hear and find it written as dimi also. This also makes it like a question, but it's like a you already know the answer. O toplantıya geldi, değil mi? He came to the meeting, right? Aslı eve gitmeyecek, değil mi? Aslı will not go home, right? Will she? Yeah, remember. Gitmeyecek. No. No going. Gidecek means going. Will go. Okay. Here is your worksheet and it's expected of you to fulfill this. It will help you learn what you learned in long term. See you in the next one.